So this is my packing kit list for Portuguese Camino. I was trying to cut down every time I do it. So starting off with the CO Designs backpack there, which is a 40 to 60 litre, which is a fantastic backpack. Then we have the PhD warm layer. I have two pairs of merino wool socks, one pair of cheap socks to wear in the evening. I have some merino underwear, two pairs. I've got my evening clothing, which is some very lightweight trousers and a merino t-shirt and a merino hoodie. I have a bed bug sheet just in case. I have my pyjamas, something comfy to wear. They're my Montane Terra trousers and a Columbia hat for the sun. Sierra Designs Cloud Peak, fantastic sleeping bag. I have my multi-purpose towel, a water bottle. That is my toiletries, my bags. I've got a waterproof Hagfloss jacket and waterproof trousers and my Salomon elixirs. My electronics, I've got a little torch, a power bank, a head torch, some cables. I'm also taking my AirPods because their noise cancelling will help me sleep. I've got a first aid kit. I have a sleeping bag liner, so if it's too hot I can just wear that. I have my carbon fibre black diamond walking poles. I have a poncho just in case I need to sleep outside. Notepad, pen and Sharpie. I've got some creams there just in case I get ill, Sudocrem and Nivea. Foot care there with some silver oxide and some Compeed. Kindle, just some ibuprofen and paracetamol. That's to put the backpack in when we travel. That's a backpack cover. Sealskin glove and hats. Really lightweight buff. I've got a small Swiss Army knife. I've got my Zero Shoes flip-flops, which are really light and actually really good after a long day. I've got pegs and light repair stuff in there. Some sunglasses, some revitalization or electrolyte tablets, hand sanitizer, cup, and my passport stuff. And that is pretty much what's going in the bag.